Jai Hind everyone. My name is Abhay Singh Rathod and I am from Kaptan Defence Academy. Today I am going to tell you about Captain Manoj Pandey. He was born on 25th of June 1975. He was from village Rudha, district Sitapura, Uttar Pradesh. His father's name is Gopi Chand Pandey and he is a small town businessman presently living in Lucknow. His mother name is Mohini and she is a housewife. He also got the Best Junior NCC Award of the UP Directorate. He completed his secondary education from Uttar Pradesh Sainik School, Lucknow, and completed his senior secondary education from Rani Lakshmibai Memorial School. After that, he joined the prestigious National Defence Academy. At the time of his SSB interview, he was asked a question that why he want to join the army, and his reply was, "I want to earn the Paramveer Chakra." And he stayed on his words. He was awarded by posthumously the highest wartime gallantry award, Paramveer Chakra. And he was the part of the 90th Squadron of NDA and was part of the Mike Squadron. He was commissioned in Army on 7th of June 1997 as Lieutenant in 1st Battalion of 11th Gorkha Rifles. In May 1999, at the time when news was reported of intrusion in the Dras, Kargil and Batalik sector, his unit 1 by 11 Gorkha Rifles had arrived after completed the tenure of 1.5 year of their service in Siachen and was on the move to go to peacetime in Pune. But this was the first unit to transfer on a short notice in Batalik sector in Khalubar, and their unit was given the task to capture the Khalubar. And the first obstacle in Khalubar is Kukarthan. Captain Manoj Pandey led the attack and he captured Kukarthan with a short notice, and his unit's base was conducted there. After that, the second obstacle was Jubar Top, and the Jubar Top was the most important point on the geographical view, because after that it captured Khalubar, and after that it will be the side of the Indian Army. But the main point is Jubar Top, and there were 4 bunkers on the ridge of the top line, and the task was again given to Captain Manoj Pandey, and he displayed an extraordinary courage and a splendid leadership, and he attacked on the first bunker and killed the 2 enemies. After that, he also destroyed the second bunker and killed all the enemies, and while advancing towards the third bunker, he killed all the enemies, but he was shot in his leg and right shoulder. After that, he didn't back forward. He forwarded to attack on the last bunker, but his fellow soldiers requested him to the bunker, but the fellow soldiers requested and he didn't understand them, and he said that I want to protect my motherland and I will destroy the last bunker, and he forwarded toward the last bunker and he destroyed the bunker and killed all the enemies, but at last he was shot by a medium machine gun in his forehead, and he laid his life for the nation. He sacrificed his life in the highest tradition of army, and he was posthumously awarded the highest wartime gallantry award, Paramveer Chakra. Now he is the UP Sainik School is renamed on his name, and now it is known as Captain Manoj Pandey UP Sainik School, and a auditorium in the Rani Lakshmibai School is also renamed on his name. And the science block of NDA is also known as Manoj Pandey block. And recently, on March 21, 2021, General Manoj Mukund Narawane of Indian Army has created a memorial at his native village in Rudha and dedicated it to him and to his village.